Okay, so we are trying to vacuum up some of the lanternfly babies. Probably would work with lanternflies as well, but we're hoping to get as many as we can off this plant. We have a blueberry bush here as well as some vines growing up. We're trying to get this without hurting our plants and seeing how many we can suck up. So I got a vacuum. It's a cheap one. I didn't want something with too much suction. It's battery operated. It's plug-in. So let's see. You can see the lanternfly buggies and some other bugs as well, but look at all of them. Tons and tons of them. So let's see how this works. Go in here. Ah, right here. Oh, it's not good. Why are you not as good at it as it?
Because you were doing it on leave.
Right here. Leaf action here. You got it that time. We are on. So you can see we got them. It's hard to see in there, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pop this in the freezer. The idea is to kill them first.
Just this part.
Okay, good idea. Okay, I'm going to fill it some more, and then we're going to put it in the freezer, just this section. And then once they're dead, we are going to put them in the bird feeder in hopes that we can show the birds that these are edible, and hopefully they'll start hunting. Okay, so I taped both ends of this. We're going to pop it in the freezer. This section, I kept the filter in just because I don't want to deal with it. Afraid they're going to pop out at me. And we're just going to pop them in there for a couple hours until they die of freezing. Somebody said they took a needle and killed each one. There's absolutely no way I'm doing that. I don't have that energy. Goodbye. Okay, so we've got our dead buggies. We're just going to spread it. Yeah, you can see them right here. Look at them all.
Oh no, they're alive.
And we're going to just spread them among the
I found one alive.
sunflower seeds. Really?
Yeah.
You're a little silly goose. Okay, so we're just going to spread them here, and hopefully the birds will actually notice them. I don't know if they will. Probably should have picked something other than sunflower seeds, but that's what I had at the top of my bin, so that's what we have right now. So obviously, I'm probably not going to ever be able to figure out if this is working or not. I'm not sure what birds pick up or don't pick up, but I'm hoping for the best. So this took me 5 minutes, and I'm probably going to try to catch them and kill them anyways, so I might as well freeze them and try to get the birds eating them. Yay.